Well, like London buses, you take one Honda Jazz in part exchange, you get a second. So here we go, lovely little Honda Jazz coming as a part exchange. Now this is a 1.4, it's an automatic, it's a CVT gearbox. So it's a 1.4 automatic. It was a category C car, I think 2017. So lots of MOT since then, and no problems. Category C is where the insurance company deem it too expensive to repair. Basically, they don't want to spend the money. Nice car, very clean inside and out. There you go. Nice alloy wheels. It's got electric windows all round. I need the key to see the mileage, so let me see what else we've got. We're going to get a wet backside here, aren't we? Let's have a look. Okay, sorry, right, there we go, there's the mileage. 71,018. 71,018 miles, that's all it's done. Right, so it's a AM FM radio with a CD and auxiliary. Okay, there, CD eject, there's nothing in there. There we are. Right, and that's all there on that system here. Coming down to the heater, heated mirrors and heated rear screen, air conditioning, and then your direction, your temperature. Power down there in auxiliary, automatic gearbox. Okay, so I'm getting a wet backside, so I'm trying to do it quickly. Nice clean car. Over here we have got electric mirrors that also fold in. Front and rear electric windows, you can turn the windows off, stop the children playing with them. Your central lock is there. You've got your paddles there to change your gears if you want to. And you've got your volume and your channel change. So, lovely little car. You're looking for a little hatchback automatic, nice budget car just to pop around in. This is perfect. So 1.4 auto, petrol on the Jazz. Give us a call if you'd like to come and have a look at this car. Okay, and we'll see you soon down in Windlesham. We'll take any vehicle in part exchange as well. If it's another Honda Jazz, so be it. See you soon. Bye for now.